L7C Pro Plus Plus. Install AI tracking unit. Align the suction side of magnetic AI tracker with fill light and the holder side. It will draw power from gimbal. And magnetic AI tracker with fill light supports selfie tracking and rear way tracking. Indicator instruction. Indicator 1. Off. Gesture recognition is off. On. Gesture recognition is on. Flash 3 times. Gesture recognition is on and there is gesture detected. Flashing. AI tracker is connecting with gimbal. Indicator 2. Off. Face tracking function is off. Slow flash. Face tracking function is on, but no face is detected. On. Face tracking function is on and there is a face detected. How to use the AI tracker. After AI tracker adsorption, tracking and gesture recognition functions are enabled by default. Double press the first button to turn on/off the face tracking function. The indicator will change accordingly. Gesture control. Scissor handle. Turn on the face tracking. Palm gesture. Turn off face tracking. Single-click the first button to turn off the gesture recognition. Turn off face tracking with the palm gesture. Gesture doesn't work when indicator 1 is off. Face tracking is working when indicator 2 is on. Single-click the first button to turn off the gesture recognition. Turn on face tracking with the scissor handle. Gesture doesn't work when indicator 1 is off. Face tracking doesn't work when indicator 2 is off. Press and hold the second button to turn on the fill light. Press and hold the second button to turn off the fill light. Or use the gesture to turn on the fill light. Or use the gesture to turn off the fill light. Single-click the second button to adjust color temperature and brightness. Or use thumbs up gesture to adjust the brightness and color temperature level of fill light. Tips of using magnetic AI tracker with fill light. Please note, when using AI tracking: 1. Adequate lighting. 2. Appropriate distance. 3. Standard and correct gestures. 1. Adequate lighting. Adequate light for more sensitive tracking. 2. Appropriate distance. Gesture control effective distance 0.3 to 3.5 meters. AI face tracking effective distance 0.3 to 4 meters. 3. Standard and correct gestures. AI sensors can recognize your face and gesture, then decide to start or end tracking. Thanks for watching.